We all know that tea does wonders for the body, but with all the flavors and varieties available, it's hard to choose one that's right for you. Well, you might want to try butterfly pea flower tea, or as many would simply call, blue tea. Hi, welcome again to the Healthy Diet Daily YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the wonderful butterfly pea flower tea benefits. It is tasty, packs a lot of nutrients, and provides amazing benefits for both the mind and the body. Plus, it looks amazing in your cup thanks to its vibrant blue color. And did I mention it is caffeine-free and non-toxic? Definitely a great choice for a happy and healthy lifestyle. So what are the benefits of butterfly pea tea? Let's find out. Number 1. It provides antioxidant support. Blue tea is a powerhouse of plant-based antioxidants. It protects the body from harmful free radicals. It is also an excellent source of flavonoids, polyphenols, and tannins, all of which are beneficial to many important body functions. The antioxidants found in butterfly pea flower tea are known to alleviate inflammation, support digestion, promote graceful aging, and many more. Number 2. It aids in weight loss. Aside from being caffeine-free, butterfly pea flower tea also contains zero carbohydrates, cholesterol, and fats, which makes it a great addition to any weight loss diet. It cleanses the gut and curbs the appetite, and if you drink this healthy tea twice a week on an empty stomach, you will see improvements in your metabolism and digestive health. Number 3. It enhances skin health. Because it's chock full of antioxidants, butterfly pea flowers have always been used in many cosmetic and skincare products. Increased antioxidant activity cleanses the body, which in turn helps brighten dull skin, increase hydration, remove uneven skin tone, and remove dark spots. Number 4. It stabilizes blood sugar levels. Believed to help reduce the risk of diabetes, the antioxidants and other essential nutrients that blue tea contains are known to help decrease blood sugar levels, improve insulin secretion, regulate glucose metabolism, and prevent cells from absorbing excess sugars. This makes butterfly pea flower tea a wholesome addition to a diabetic diet. And number 5. It promotes relaxation and stress relief. Butterfly pea tea has a rich and earthy flavor that is said to be an effective mood enhancer. It also influences positive emotions, boosts energy levels, and refreshes the brain, making it a relaxing drink that effectively alleviates symptoms of anxiety and depression. Butterfly pea flowers can be mixed with fruits or herbs of your choice, or some honey to serve warm before meals. It can also be enjoyed as a cold drink that's great for after meals. I'm happy to share with you this delicious and refreshing butterfly pea tea lemonade recipe that's super easy to make. For this recipe, you'll need 3 cups of warm water, 3 cups of soda water, 3 cups of ice, half a cup of fresh or dried butterfly pea flowers, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, sliced lemons, and rosemary sprigs for garnishing. Step 1. To make your butterfly pea tea, place the flowers in a bowl of warm water and soak for a few minutes. Press the petals with a spoon to extract the color. When the color is vivid enough, strain and discard the flowers. Step 2. Add the sugar to the tea and stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Then, you can add the lemon juice. Step 3. Fill 3 glasses with ice, then pour the butterfly pea lemonade over the ice, filling half of each glass. Then, you can go ahead and fill in the rest of each glass with soda water. And finally, Step 4. Garnish your lemonade with lemon slices and rosemary sprigs. Don't forget to stir before serving.